Here simple pendulum is taken on planet of mass 4m, right? 4 times of the earth, right? Simple pendulum time period is equal to 2 pi into root over L by G. So time period is depend upon 1 by root G. Here length of the pendulum is constant, so G is equal to Gm by R square. So G proportional to M and G proportional to R square. Here R2 is equal to 2R and M2 is equal to 4M. So R square is equal to 4R. So 4 get cancelled, right? 4M by 4R square. 2R square whole square equal to 4R square. So G2 is equal to G1. So time period is constant in this case, right? Assertion is true, and time period of the simple pendulum is constant on Earth and any other planet. That is false. In this case 4 that ratio gets cancelled, but in other cases that may not be cancelled. So time period different on different planets, right? Here find B net at point P. Here we know B, that is magnetic field at any point by the current carrying conductor, that is mu naught I by 2 pi R. In this conductor, current is in upward direction. By right hand thumb rule, we know that the current is into the plane. By this 4 ampere current conductor, the magnetic field here is outside the plane by right hand thumb rule. So B net is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi into 2 pi R, sorry, here 2 pi R, I1 by R1 minus I2 by R2. So here mu naught by 2 pi into I1 is 8 by R1 is 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters from conductor 1 to point P, that is 10 centimeters, that is 0.1, minus I2 is 4 by 4 centimeters, that is 0.04. So this is 80 minus 100 into 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 by 2 pi. Here this is 2, right? That is 20 into 2, that is 40 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Webers. By these two conductors, the magnetic field at the point P is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 Webers, right? We can remember this equation mu naught I by 2 pi R by Ampere circuit law, that is B dot dl is equal to mu naught I. For current carrying conductor, we can take circular loop, that is dl is integral dl, that is 2 pi R into B is equal to mu naught I. So in this case B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi R. By Ampere circuit law, we can easily find magnetic field. Next question is, find the correct dimensional formula for capacitance in terms of mass, length, time and charge, right? Now we know Q equal to CV. Charge on the capacitor is capacitance times of voltage appeared across the capacitor, that is Q equal to CV. We also know power is equal to VI, that is general formula. So V is V into Q by T, that is I is equal to power, P into T is equal to VQ. So energy is equal to V into Q. If we analog this electrical energy into mechanical, that is F into S, that is energy or work done, is equal to VQ. This is only for dimensional formula, right? This is not true for the formula based. For dimensional formula, work done is equal to VQ. So force dimensional formula, mass into length by T square into S, that is L square, is equal to VQ. VQ dimensional formula is ML square T power minus 2. So V dimensional formula, this Q dimensional formula is C, that is charge. V dimensional formula is ML square T power minus 2 into C power minus 1, right? Here we want dimensional formula for capacitance. Here capacitance is equal to Q by V. So C by this Q dimensional formula is C and V dimensional formula is ML square T power minus 2 into C power minus 1. So C square M power minus 1 L power minus 2 T square is the dimensional formula for capacitance. So this is the correct, T square. So this is the correct. Here find maximum percentage error in measuring the density of wire. This is the wire, right? The volume of the wire is area into length, right? Area into length. Pi r square into L is volume. So density is equal to mass by volume. So mass by pi r square into L. If we want percentage error in multiplication or division, we simply add percentage errors individually, right? So here percentage error in density is equal to percentage error in mass plus 2 times percentage error in radius plus percentage error in length, right? In multiplication or division, right? A by B, percentage error in A by B is equal to percentage error in A plus percentage error in B, right? In multiplication also A into B, that is percentage error in A plus percentage error in B, because we are calculating maximum possible errors, so we are adding, right? So here find percentage error in mass, that is 0.003 by 0.6 into 100. This is error, not percentage error. So we are calculating percentage error. So this is 0.3 by 0.6, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5 percentage. That is percentage error in mass is 0.5 percentage and percentage error in radius, that is 0.01 by 0.5 into 100, that is 2 percentage, right? And percentage error in length is equal to 0.05 by 10 into 100, that is 1 by 2 0.5. So percentage error in density is equal to percentage error in mass, that is 0.5 percentage, plus 2 into 2 plus 0.5, that is 5 percentage, right? Given position vectors for R and F, find torque. We know torque is equal to F cross R, right? Cross product F cross R is equal to IJK. F is equal to 212 111 here. So I into 2 minus 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, minus j into 2 minus 2 0, plus k into 2 minus 1, that is 1. So torque is equal to I plus j. We want magnitude, that is root 1 square plus 1 square 2, that is root 2. The answer, right? Here maybe R cross F, right? Next question is find velocity, right? We know continuity equation a1 v1 equal to a2 v2. We get this equation by amount of incompressible liquid entering into the pipe is should be coming out of the pipe, that is V by T is constant everywhere. If we derive this, we get continuity equation. So here area is equal to 2r radius pi r square into v1, that is 2 meter per second, is equal to r square pi r square into v, right? 2 pi gets cancelled, 4r square is equal to r square 4r square into 2, right? Here that is 2. v is equal to 8 meter per second, right? This is very simple question. Now a ball of mass 100 grams thrown at a speed 60 degrees with horizontal. Find the decrease in kinetic energy. We know by law of work done principle, work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, right? Here decrease in find decrease in kinetic energy, want change in kinetic energy. So work done is change in kinetic energy. Work done here is work done by the gravity, that is mgh at maximum height, right? We want work done at maximum height. Now we know v square minus u square equal to 2gh. So here v is 0, u is u sin theta, that is vertical, is equal to minus 2gh. Here u 20 into sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 2gh, right? Here 3 by 4, 5 into 3, right? 5 25 into 3 is equal to 2gh, right? Am I correct? Okay, 25. Okay, this is 75 by 2 is equal to gh. Now I want mgh, right? mgh is equal to m is equal to 0.1 into 75 by 2, right? This is mgh, right? Now, sorry, here u square sin theta sin 60 root 3 by 2, sorry, 2 10 jar, right? 10 100, this is 100, this is 150, gh is equal to 150. So gh is equal to 150, mgh is equal to 15 joules, right? This is the answer, right? Here find the correct EMF versus time graph. In this case, magnetic field into the plane, right? Into the plane, and velocity of the conductor horizontal direction. So we know EMF is equal to B into BLV sin theta, right? This theta is angle between length and velocity. Here in this portion, angle between length and velocity is 0, so EMF is 0 here, EMF is 0 here. There is a EMF in these two conductors only, right? So here B constant, L constant, V constant, and sin theta is 90 degrees because length and velocity are perpendicular here. So here and here length and velocity is perpendicular, so all are constant, so EMF is constant at all times, right? Here in Young's double slit experiment, fringe of red color is wider as compared to the fringe of blue color because width of the fringe is proportional to wavelength, right? So wavelength of red color is more compared to blue, right? So this assertion is true, and here fringe width is directly proportional to wavelength, so this is also true, and both are true, and reason is correct explanation, right? Now here the force on a particle is given by this, and position is given r, right? Now work done is 0, work done is equal to F dot S. Now this dot product is 0, so 2 into 1 minus 2 into B plus 2 is equal to 0, B is equal to 2. This is very simple question. Now here the electron is moving in a magnetic field. The electron is moving in circular loop in the magnetic field, right? To satisfy this condition, I mean, if the electron moving in circular loop, that should satisfy the equation. The force developed by the magnetic field is BQV sin theta. This sin theta is 90 degrees is equal to mv square by r, because centrifugal force must be balanced by this magnetic force. So we get cancelled, BQR is equal to mv, and also second condition, that is this is Bohr's quantization is valid, so angular momentum should be quantized nh by 2 pi. So mv is equal to bqr, so here r square is equal to nh by 2 pi. Here given second condition, that is first excitation means n is equal to 2, right? So BQR square is equal to h by pi. So R is equal to h by BQ pi under root. So this is the answer. Now in LCR circuit, current amplitude at resonance is I. At resonance condition, see the current is V by impedance, right? Impedance is equal to R plus J XL minus XC. We get resonance when XC is equal to XL. So this term is vanished here. So Z is equal to R. At resonance condition, circuit performing pure resistance nature, right? So I is equal to V by R. In this case, resistance is doubled, so I gets I by 2 new current. Now tell me, what is the power factor at resonance? That is unity. That is pure resistance nature, right? Here angular speed of the cylinder of length L, so that outer force, okay. Here this cylinder is rotating at this axis, right? Now the centrifugal force should balanced by this force, right? So mv square by r is equal to F here, right? So in case of angular momentum V is equal to R omega, if we place this R omega, m R omega square is equal to F. In this case, this liquid fluid, we should take center of mass, right? For continuous bodies, we should take center of mass. This R is L by 2. M L by 2 omega square equal to 2F, right? Here given mass of the liquid is 2m. So 2m L by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Omega is equal to F by ml under root. Here we are taking R is equal to L by 2 because all force exerted on center of mass. For this cylinder, center of mass is present at half of distance, right? Now see here, this biconvex lens is divided into 4 parts, right? We know if we divide vertically, half of the curved nature lens is missing. So focal length gets doubled, right? 2f, right? Because due to this curvature, focal length is depending. Half of the curved nature lens is missing, so focal length doubled, right? So power proportional to 1 by F, inversely proportional. So power gets doubled. Power gets off. Focal length doubled, so power off. If we cut lens vertically, power off and focal length doubled. What about intensity? Intensity never changes because the rays are not missing here, so intensity not changing. If we cut but horizontally focus and power not changes because this curvature not changes, right? But intensity varies, right? Because half of rays are missing, so intensity gets off, right? So power off, so 2D is the answer. Thank you.